and I'm going to be very direct about it. And you know how to build this. And I didn't really hold anything back. I don't really, I heard a coach say before that if you think that you're giving away too much information, you don't know enough. And that really hit home because like I used to gatekeep information, but no, when I look at it, there's so much information for us to come across and to share that now I get excited when I come across something that I can share with people. And like, whether there's one person on this call or 1,000 people on this call, I'm going to do these calls because I get to interact with information and share with people and then test it for my businesses. So you know how to build this. Like I didn't want to hold anything back. You create the prompt, you iterate, you make it better over time, right? So you watch me do it live. You have the prompt, you have the framework, and you can absolutely go do this yourself tonight. But I also know some of you are sitting there thinking, Sean, I run a business. I don't really have time to build this, even though like it's not that time consuming. It's just you have to kind of know what to look for. And maybe you say, I want it done and I want it done right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm not going to say tonight only. We're taking 10 business owners and building their custom content operating system for them, with them. So fully branded, all four core four channels mapped, the $100 million hooks framework embedded into every content type. So when you open up, I'm sending an email, I'm creating a reel, or I'm making a community post, or I'm sending out SMS blast, like, you have the frameworks to make sure you're not missing anything before you hit publish, right? And then you have the weekly and monthly views. We make it mobile friendly, pretty much just like ours. And for the first 10 people who text the word content to 713-576-5192, we are dropping a $50 gift card on your build out. First 10, that's it. So it's not a soft close. I just want to, help people accomplish their goals. And that's the whole point of the Small Business Book Club. A lot of this information takes us time to put together, takes time to make sure that you can understand it. So at the back end of it, it's like, okay, I don't just want you to consume information. I actually want you to be able to do something with it. So when we hit 10, this offer is gone, but you'll still be able to get the build out. You just won't have the $50 gift card that you can apply to your custom content operating system. And we build it, you run your business. And so on Monday morning, you open the app and that app tells you exactly what to do, where to show up. You don't have any more blank screens, no more guessing, no more inconsistency, no more, content blocks. So if that's something that sounds good to you, text content to that number. And I don't have any questions in the chat. That's a wrap. So you came in tonight not knowing what a content operating system was. And I'll tell you, it's pretty proprietary to us because I had to like come up with a name of like, how could we do more content, right? So came up with Content OS. And so you're leaving with the framework, the prompt, and the Monday morning routine or operating procedure that runs your content operation every single week. So if you text content tonight, someone from our team is going to reach out to you later on this week. We'll get your business details, your content pillars, your ideal customer, and we'll build your custom branded content operating system and have it ready for you. And so probably should have added in here some consulting because I know that like people still need help like implementing, even though the app kind of helps you walk through the consulting piece. My thing is I want to make sure that you have the tools you need to actually do what you're trying to do, which is put out more content. So the consultant kind of be built in, but I just want to say that. So if you didn't text content tonight, you still have this recording. I'll be sending it out to everyone. So go build it and then come back Thursday and tell me what you built.